Hello all, this is the second session of interpretation of topographical maps. In this session, we are going to have a look at the general slope and the relief of the land. So we'll try to find out how to interpret general slope and relief. Meaning of general slope? It is the direction towards which the terrain or the land is inclined, and we can determine this by looking at the flow of water. So water would generally flow to the lowest section of the land. We can also find the general slope by comparing the elevations of different parts of the map, which is very tedious. Or else we can look at the trend of contour lines and then try to figure out where the slope is steep and where the slope is gentle. So the first option is the best option and the easiest one. So to find the direction of water, we can try to locate any arrow given in the riverbed. Okay, that will suggest the direction in which the water is flowing. So the arrow might look like this within the river. Or we can look at the angle at which the tributaries are meeting. And third is we can look at the way the river is widening. So of course, as the river flows ahead, more tributaries meet the main river and the river widens. So these are the three ways in which we can find the direction in which the water is flowing. Then comes describing the relief of the area. So what are relief features? Well, basically in the map we can have some major relief features and some minor relief features. In major relief features we can find mountains, hills, ridges, rivers and plains. Now these are the major relief features. In minor relief features we can find broken grounds, sand dunes and rock outcrops. These are the minor relief features. To describe the relief feature, we can describe the type of relief, whether it is high or it's low. Then we can describe the nature of mountains or hills. Then we can describe the nature of rivers. Then we can also describe the location of minor physical features like broken grounds. Types of relief, as said earlier, we can have high relief and low relief. Now high relief would be generally hilly terrain and there will be range of height, whereas low relief will be flat and lower heights in a very small range. Nature of hills and mountains. Now here we can describe the location of the hills or mountains, the area occupied by the hills or mountains, the average height, the highest and the lowest point, the alignment trend of hill. We can describe the nature of the hill or mountain using these parameters. Then for describing the nature of rivers, we can describe the direction of flow, the presence of sediments, the width, so presence of water, whether it's perennial or seasonal, and whether the river is flowing through broken ground or not, and whether the river is a tributary or a main river. So that was all about interpretation. Hope you enjoyed learning topographical maps. Now it's time to solve your assignments. All the best.